Today, you are about to discover something that will turn your life upside down. You know that person from your past who seemed distant? They are about to be overwhelmed by an unexpected feeling. They have realized that you are changing, that you are growing, that your life is taking a direction they never imagined. And now they can't get you out of their mind, wondering if they still have a chance. But wait, there's more. The universe is sending a new love your way, someone who will see all this power you are awakening. This person from your past will be torn, feeling the weight of your evolution and desperately wanting to come back. But the choice is yours. Your energy will rise in ways you never imagined possible. It will become vibrant, full of joy, spontaneity, and positivity, and you will begin to attract the most wonderful things to you, all for your highest good. The central point is that often, you may not be aware of all the incredible things your heart truly desires, but the universe, in its infinite wisdom, knows exactly what is best for you. God, in His greatness, is watching every detail of your life, hearing all your prayers, even those you have not spoken. He knows your deepest and most secret longings and will bring those blessings to you at the right time, for He can see beyond what our limited eyes can reach. The angels are around you, and they want you to know that there is a beautiful, radiant energy here, ready to transform your life in ways you may not even imagine right now. If you carry worries or pains in your heart from a past relationship and are afraid of walking that path again due to the difficulties you faced, I have a special message. A new love is on the horizon. And this is not just any love, but a love that will align with the elevated energy you are cultivating. A love built on a foundation of respect, understanding, and reciprocity. Even if now you have someone special in mind, or perhaps are wondering who that person you will love might be, it is essential to understand that there is not just one person destined to be the love of your life. Thinking there is only that person and no one else can be misleading. The truth is that life is full of possibilities and different love paths that can open up at any moment. We are not bound to a single unchangeable destiny. On the contrary, we have the amazing opportunity to choose who we want by our side, who we want to share our days, our dreams, and our deepest desires. This idea that love can manifest in different forms throughout life should not be seen as an invitation to multiple simultaneous relationships, although for some people, that might be a reality. But what I am trying to say is simpler and yet profound. You have choices. You can decide with whom you want to share your path, who makes your heart race, who is that comforting shoulder in the most challenging moments. And this choice is not about finding someone perfect, but rather someone who embraces you as you are, with all your qualities and imperfections, and who makes you feel safe, loved, and above all, understood. Finding that person with whom you truly connect is about much more than just passion. It is about partnership, about feeling complete and fulfilled alongside someone who values you, who nurtures your emotions, and who is willing to build something solid and meaningful with you. It's about building, day by day, a shared life that makes sense for both of you. So understand that there is no single person destined to cross your path, and that is precisely why a new love is about to enter your life. This love that is approaching has everything to be deeply rewarding, full of generosity, and with incredible potential to become something truly special. It's essential that you realize that you are living a moment of great personal transformation. You are growing, improving in every aspect of your life, and it is evident. There is no stagnation, much less regression. On the contrary, you are in constant ascent, reaching new levels of achievement. This new phase that begins brings with it a unique and special connection. A soulmate connection that will enter your life through this new love. But it's also interesting to note that there is someone from your past who will realize that you are moving forward, advancing in a way that they never imagined before. As your energy rises, you focus on new goals, dedicating yourself to different areas of your life. This naturally brings more prosperity, luck, and well-being. With this new focus, your financial life begins to flourish, your happiness grows remarkably, and your energy expands, touching and enriching every aspect of your existence. With this renewal, you start attracting the attention of new people, especially in the romantic field, sparking the interest of this new person coming into your path. Additionally, people from your past, whether friends, family, or even old loves, may start to reappear. There are several reasons for this. Perhaps these people feel your energy vibrating at a higher frequency, which makes you even more attractive to them. However, as your attention shifts away from those people from the past, their energy, curiously, seems to turn more intensely towards you. You have waited so long for this moment, the moment when things finally begin to align. After so many battles, so much waiting, now with patience and faith, everything starts to make sense. The universe in all its wisdom, God in His infinite goodness, and the divine in His constant presence are by your side. It's not just you rooting for your success. The angels, those beings of light who care for you with so much love, are also here, cheering for every victory, always wishing the best for your life. They want you to know that all your efforts are being noticed. Every small step you take toward your personal growth is recognized and celebrated, and they encourage you to keep going, to move forward, to never give up on your dreams and your well-being. It is essential that you remain steadfast, working with dedication, taking care of yourself, and healing the wounds left by the past. Above all, put your needs and desires first. By doing so, you become stronger, fill yourself with energy, and prepare to face any challenge life brings. And remember, you are not alone on this journey. You are being guided, protected, and blessed. There is a constant flow of blessings coming your way, bringing beauty, grace, and serenity. These are qualities that will touch your soul deeply, renewing it, bringing a sense of peace and contentment that you may have never felt before. With all this positive energy flowing to you, you will soon notice changes in your body and mind. You will feel more beautiful, more radiant, with a new confidence in yourself. Your health will improve, your skin, hair, and nails will reflect this inner well-being. But it's not just on the outside that you will feel this transformation. Your soul will also be touched, rejuvenated by this divine grace that now accompanies you. Prosperity, in all its forms, is within your reach, bringing not only material wealth but a profound sense of well-being and spiritual balance. And you know those moments when everything seems to flow effortlessly? When the signs align, the traffic lights turn green at the right time, the doors open as if by magic. Those are the signs that you are on the right path, that the universe is conspiring in your favor. All of this is a confirmation that you are where you should be, doing what you should be doing. It is crucial that you remain active in all areas of your life, in your dreams, your interests, your daily tasks, your work, the care you have for yourself, the appreciation for life, and your healing journey. This proactivity is the key to achieving everything you desire and deserve. Within you, there is deep knowledge, wisdom given by God, capable of illuminating the path for others, guiding them through your spiritual teaching. You are someone with natural empathy, a heart full of love, who understands the value of prayer and gratitude. These qualities make you unique, with enormous potential to help and inspire those around you. However, it is vital that you take care of yourself first. Before reaching out to help others, you need to be at peace with yourself, find balance and inner peace. This is even more important if you carry past traumas that still weigh on your heart. If there are people, places, or situations that still bring discomfort, it clearly indicates that healing is needed. Dedicate yourself to this healing process with care and patience because, as you heal, you become stronger. And when you reach a state of greater healing and inner peace, you'll be in such a powerful position that everything around you will start to align perfectly, bringing harmony and fulfillment to your life and those you love and wish to help. Every step on this journey is important. Healing is often a slow process that requires attention, care, and dedication. Don't rush. Go at your own pace, respecting your limits, and understanding that sometimes you need to take a step back to move forward more firmly and securely. The important thing is that you keep moving, even if slowly. Remember that this path of self-knowledge and healing is not just for you, but also for those you touch with your presence and light. Deep down, you already know what needs to be done. Trust in this inner wisdom, that calm and steady voice guiding you, and know that you have the support of the universe, of God, at every step of this process. You have the ability to transform not only your life but also the lives of those around you, bringing more love, more understanding, and more light into the world. Believe in your potential and allow yourself to grow and evolve. You are capable of achieving incredible things, and the first step is to take care of yourself with the care and respect you deserve. Every small victory in your healing process is a giant step toward your higher purpose. This is a moment of transformation. It's like a deep cleansing is happening in your life, sweeping away all negative energies, preparing the ground for something new and positive. And you know what? That miracle you've been waiting for is on its way. It may not seem like it now, but your prayers have been heard, and the answers are coming, perhaps in ways you never imagined. Face your fears with courage because great changes are unfolding. This is your moment to rise, to seek the life you have always dreamed of. God is with you by your side, ready to guide and protect you at every step of this journey. Don't doubt it for a second. Trust and allow yourself to receive this divine help because you deserve all the love and light that the universe has reserved for you. Understand one thing: you don't have to carry all the weight alone. Sometimes we forget that and end up trying to hold the world in our hands, but it doesn't have to be that way. Let God and the angels enter your life. Embrace this divine connection that has always been within your reach. A prayer can be the start of this opening. And it doesn't have to be something formal or follow a religious script. What matters is that it is sincere, comes from the bottom of your heart, and aligns with what you truly believe in. Feel this living faith within you, like a flame that never goes out, and that will light your way, even in the most difficult moments. Now, something we sometimes underestimate is the power of being a good person. It may seem simple, but kindness has a huge impact. Being kind, being generous, being truthful. These things make the world around us better and also elevate us, make us grow as human beings. And that is no small thing. In a world where everything seems so complicated, being a good person might be what makes all the difference. But don't forget, you don't have to face your challenges alone. When things get tough, when the weight feels unbearable, ask for help. God, the angels, the universe, they are all ready to support you, to guide you to a place of peace and light. There is no need to carry all this burden alone. Remember, this difficult period you are going through will not last forever. The difficulties that today seem like insurmountable mountains will tomorrow be just memories of overcoming. The clouds will dissipate, and you will see a clear sky, full of new possibilities. Trust that things are changing, that everything is adjusting to take you to a better place. This is a moment of transformation. It's like a deep cleansing is happening in your life, sweeping away all negative energies, preparing the ground for something new and positive. And you know what? That miracle you've been waiting for is on its way. It may not seem like it now, but your prayers have been heard, and the answers are coming, perhaps in ways you never imagined. Face your fears with courage because great changes are unfolding. This is your moment to rise, to seek the life you have always dreamed of. God is with you by your side, ready to guide and protect you at every step of this journey. Don't doubt it for a second. Trust and allow yourself to receive this divine help because you deserve all the love and light that the universe has reserved for you. You need to understand that there is a vastness of possibilities within you, something beyond what you can imagine at this moment. What the angels want you to know is that there are no real barriers to your potential, which is vast and virtually limitless. Within you, there is enormous capacity, waiting for the right moment to manifest and make a significant difference in your life. And best of all, wonderful things are about to happen. Believe that what is to come is greater and more amazing than you can conceive right now. But here is a crucial point. At this very moment, you are facing an important lesson that life is trying to teach you. This lesson is not about being selfish, far from it. It's about learning to put yourself first, to value yourself, and to prioritize what really matters to you. If you keep putting your life on the back burner to satisfy the needs and expectations of others, when will your moment come? When will you stop and realize that it is time to fulfill your dreams, follow your desires, and most importantly, heal the wounds that are still open? It's time to understand that your life has immense value and that you deserve to be the protagonist of your own story. There is nothing wrong with wanting to be happy, wanting to fulfill your own desires, and wanting to grow and flourish at your own pace. The angels are reminding you of this. You deserve to have your space, your time, your moment. From the moment you decide to make yourself a priority, you begin to walk the path that God has prepared for you. And it is on this path that you will find true fulfillment, for there are no limits to what you can achieve when you choose to focus on your well-being and happiness. So always keep this in mind. You are limitless. And the universe, in all its grandeur, has incredible plans for you. But for these plans to come true, you need to make the decision to put yourself at the center of your life, to make it the main stage. The angels are by your side, ready to guide and support you every step of the way. What you need to do is simple but essential. Trust yourself and take the first step toward your own happiness and fulfillment. The right time is now. The protagonist of this story is you, and you deserve to live every moment fully. The angels are calling your attention now, asking you to focus and listen with an open heart. We know the journey hasn't been easy, and the anxiety to see the changes you so desire may be weighing on your shoulders. You may feel like you're fighting alone, but it's crucial that you keep going, even if it's slow, step by step. Believe me, this dedication and effort will not be in vain. Very soon, doors will begin to open, opportunities will arise, and you will see things finally starting to unfold in your favor. You are not alone on this journey. Your angels are by your side, ready to support and guide you whenever you need them. All you have to do is ask. The answers you seek are not far. They will come through dreams, subtle signs, and coincidences that will appear on your path, showing you the right direction. They are here to ensure that you follow the right path, the one that will lead you to your true purpose. At this very moment, your angels are sending you a wave of inspiration and love. This energy will help you see more clearly and give you the strength to overcome the challenges you are facing now. More than that, it will motivate you to explore new possibilities, such as starting your own business or dedicating yourself more passionately to your goals. Now is the perfect time to invest your time and energy in what truly makes you happy, in activities that warm your heart and bring a sense of fulfillment. Everything that is for your highest good is coming your way, evolving in tune with your life's purpose. These blessings are coming to meet you, joining with you and growing alongside you, bringing harmony and happiness to your journey. If this message touched your heart, know that it is for you. So declare in the comments, "Now it's my turn." And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, to continue receiving these messages of love and light. Thank you so much for being here today. May God bless you, and see you next time.